I declare the congregation open. So welcome, members of the university, guests, and most especially all of you here receiving your degree today. It's our pleasure to welcome you here today. Thrilled to celebrate this special day with you. The graduation is a testament to your own hard work, resilience, and determination. And of course, the support from your tutors, from your families, from your friends, who I know will be feeling justifiably proud of you today. So we're here to celebrate the achievements of our students from the Faculty of Humanities, Arts and Social Sciences, as well as the Faculty of Science and Technology. I'm very pleased to welcome you here to today's ceremony. Now, postgraduate ceremonies recognise the significant commitment that you have given to your studies. There are no easy degrees at Lancaster. Each one has to be earned through dedication and sheer hard work. So today we celebrate the fact that each of you has proven that you not only have the intelligence, but you also have the resilience to rise to a challenge. The steps you'll take across this stage are symbolic of the hard work that you've put in, but also of the exciting new opportunities that await you. So today marks the end of an era, but also a new beginning. As an alum of Lancaster University, you're joining a community of thousands of Lancaster graduates from almost every country in the world, a network that can provide support, advice, and friendship throughout your lives. So I do hope that you will stay in touch with each other as well as staying in touch with us. Now, our students and graduates are among our best ambassadors. Our hope is that wherever your future takes you, you will continue to represent Lancaster, helping us build our reputation as a global institution, changing the world for the better. What you've learned here, you will carry throughout your lives. And for our part, we'll be working hard to keep our end of the bargain, to secure the enduring value of your qualification. Now, as an aside, results from Lancaster's Economic and Social Impact Report, which we developed with London Economics, shows the incredible impact that this university has. The figures from this report estimate that the total economic impact on the UK economy from Lancaster University's activities to be £2 billion, with about 60% of that identifiable impact directly benefiting the North West. In every major UK league table, we're ranked in the top 15 of more than 140 universities in the country, and top 10 in the Complete University Guide 2026. That same guide has ranked Lancaster joint third in the country for research intensity. Now, that's based on the percentage of academic staff actively working at the cutting edge of research, with only Oxford and Cambridge ahead of us in our third ranking. This is one of the reasons why so much of our research is world-leading and recognised as such. Now, all of this creates an environment at Lancaster that allows doctoral researchers to succeed, successes that we'll be celebrating and recognising today. In creating a positive and supportive environment, we're also acutely aware of the role that we play in protecting our broader environment. Lancaster is recognised and indeed award-winning as a leader in higher education for our approach to sustainability and our progress towards being a net zero organisation by 2035. Now, this is something I think to be really proud of, as is our pioneering spirit and our continued commitment to making higher education open to all. Now, Lancaster is open to all with talent and potential, and Lancaster's philosophy is really quite simple. What counts is not where you've come from, but whether you're prepared to put in the effort to create a better future, not just for yourselves, but for others as well. Now, Lancaster is also a university that's open to the world. We have campuses not only here in Lancaster, of course, but also in Malaysia, China, Germany, Ghana, and Indonesia. And we're now planning for our next new campus in India. So Lancaster is truly a global institution. And we're proud of the fact that we welcome students from over 180 countries and that our staff come from every corner of the globe. This rich diversity on campus brings huge benefits educationally, but it also prepares our students for a life in an increasingly global society. So today we celebrate that you've graduated from a top-performing university. Today you graduate with your peers from the Faculty of Humanities, Arts and Social Sciences, a dynamic and creative community, a home for 4 vibrant schools, which work to provide real public benefit. Or you might be graduating with your peers from the Faculty of Science and Technology, which is engaged in world-leading research and teaching that makes a demonstrable difference to our economy and society. Now, success in whatever form it takes is inherently about people. Behind each successful individual is a team of family, friends, colleagues working together to help us achieve. And on this special day, we should certainly take a moment to recognise the contributions that your supporters have given you. It's wonderful that so many of your family and friends can be here today. So today, though, is not the end of your connection with Lancaster, but rather the end of one chapter and the start of a new one. Today you join a special community like more than 185,000 others who've gone before you. You're about to become alumni of this great university and part of a community of high achievers, great thinkers, top leaders, people who are making a real difference in the world, in the communities that they work in, both local and global, in industry, in charity, in private companies, in public service. So when you leave here, you will take something of Lancaster with you. Of course, you'll take your memories and the friends that you've made, the tutors that you've met, and the knowledge that you've gained, what you've learned from your studies. But above all, I hope what you'll take away from Lancaster is what you've learned about yourselves. Each of you has proved that you have what it takes to make a success of life. Now, degree ceremonies are formal occasions. We don't all dress like this every day of the week, but they are also events to be enjoyed. So I really do encourage you to clap to cheer, to whoop enthusiastically at the appropriate times during the ceremony. Make this a real day of celebration and a day to remember. No doubt it will be a day that for some of you extends into the small hours as well in terms of celebration. So congratulations once again. I wish you all the very best for your future lives, whatever path it takes. Thank you very much.
Please may all graduates from the Faculty of Science and Technology stand if they are able to do so. Vice-Chancellor, on behalf of the Senate, I present these members of the Faculty of Science and Technology who are worthy to receive higher degrees and awards of the university. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as the first of our graduates go across the stage, I'll be attempting to read both their names and their PhD thesis titles. So if you could just refrain from the dancing and whooping until I get the title out, that would be appreciated. For the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, Esther Ajabin Fofe, Resource Recovery from Waste Investigating the Use of Digestate as an Organic Fertilizer. Mark Alec Shea Ook, Theory of Laser Plasma Axion Production. Raoul Ivan Afaro Pellico, The Barriers to Deployment of Renewable Energy. Abdul Aram Oman Ajasim, Theory and Modelling of Electronic Properties of Molecular Scale Systems. Samuel Joseph Kenneth Barnes, Quantitative Assessment of Autism Spectrum Disorder. Rebecca Beasley, Examining the Contribution of Epilepsy Specialist Nurses to Pediatric Epilepsy Services. Francis Bettesworth, On-Chip Adiabatic Demagnetization Refrigeration. Philip William Bond, Development of Mid-Infrared Materials and Light-Emitting Diodes. Ryan John Bragg, Nuclear Magnetic Resonance Studies of Aqueous Supercapacitors. Miranda Rose Burke, Reducing Food Loss and Waste in the Supply Chain Using IR Spectroscopy. Aidan Joseph F. Can, Robust Quadrotor Control with Application to Mobile Sensor Networks in the Nuclear Industry. Daniel Chester, Timescales and Investment Dynamics in the Economy. Dipandan Jas, exploiting quantum paraelectricity for advancing cryogenic quantum measurements. Max Davis, improving soil health in apple and pear orchards. Niall Edward James Dixon, in situ real-time monitoring of waterborne low-energy beaters. Soraya Elizu, in situ radiometric discrimination and depth profile of SR19, Y90 and C137 in aqueous media. Samuel Finnerty, From the Lab to the Streets, The Psychology of Scientist Activism in Climate Crisis. Emily Glenn, monitoring superglacial hydrology on the Greenland ice sheets using machine learning. Irene Gomez, drivers of spatiotemporal dynamics in Lepidoptera and their implication for forecasting. Matthew Hanley, constant territory, transboundary mountain gorilla conservation in East Africa. Andrew James Harrod, it's more about the people, nature-based interventions and long-term well-being. Amy Louise Hewitt, searching for continuous gravitational waves from isolated pulsars. Joshua Hoffman, continuing dynamical systems in homogeneous cosmologies through the Big Bang singularity. Tivon Ann Howe, deep carbon dioxide and volatile degassing in the Lesser Antilles Arc, origin, source, budget. Yifeng Huang, corrosion studies of AGR spent nuclear fuel. Matthew Ivory, the soft skills of software learning development. Ryan Kerr, modeling of oxidation of tungsten and tungsten alloys for fusion reactor first walls. Gabriel Sinhoklau, modeling and analysis of isotropic thermal conductivity enhancement in laser melting. Henry Gerton Lay, preparing for precision, natural current, neutral pion production in the SBND experiment. Elizabeth Leonard, the synthesis of organosilicon compounds. Argeia Misbah Ahmed Madina, estimates of the local contribution to trace plutonium in soils from Blenheim Tarn and Windermere. Christina McBride Serrano, rhizoheath formation in cover crops, the roles of species diversity, water availability and time. Stephen McGowan, uranium extraction from seawater using natural byproducts, evaluation and testing. Sarah Louise McKenney, Advancing Understanding of Disorder Rock Salt Material LNTO as a lithium-ion battery cathode. Nikita Mehta, The Influence of Caste and Gender in Sanitization Policy Processes in Rural India. Alexandra Mikhael, exploring... come back. Exploring the possibilities of aqueous magnesium-ion batteries. Diego Moral Pombo, ultraviolet aurora signatures of magnetospheric phenomena at Jupiter. Beth Murdoch, towards the commercialization of spinal cathodes for a diversified battery supply chain. Brandon O'Hanlon, audio, visual, and audio tactile effects on speech intelligibility and cortical tracking accuracy. Ekpo Ekpenyong Otto, exploring design-based interventions to mitigate public health impacts of urban air pollution. Lee Kwan Nu Fan, micro and nanoplastic in soil, analytical methods and environmental fate. Mark Potter, decoupled electrochemical CO2 reduction using redox mediators. Emily Lynn Sevier, from soil to water, the detachment and transport of microplastics from agricultural soil. Andrew Slater, sequencing to satellites, integrating biodiversity surveys across scales. Sophie Standen, towards food sovereignty, the socio-ecological politics of aquatic food systems. Patrick Steger, magnetic on cantilever type carbon nanotube force sensors for magnetic resonance force microscopy. Dominic Stevenson, can inherited memories of stress help protect crops from pests and disease? Max Frederick Taylor, measurement and simulation of half-integer Shapiro steps in graphene-based squids. Lucy Treasure, embedding the ecosystem impacts of solar parks into industrial practice. Daniel Turner, an investigation of the magnetic field of full flux penetration of materials for SRF cavities. Mycolo Vauk, terahertz magnetic dynamics in rare earth transition metal oxides. Hannah Josephine Walling, the influence of phosphorus addition in soybean nitrogen fixation and yield. Catherine Walsh, characterizing the C2 phenotype and nutrient quality in wild rocket. Jinran Wong, Flood Resilience as a Process, Understanding the Role of Learning in Green Infrastructure. For the degree of Doctor of Philosophy by Publication, John Glasson, Assessing the Local Socio-Economic Impacts of Major UK New Nuclear and Offshore Wind Projects. For the degree of Master of Arts, Emily Ann Bishkoff. Harit Boon Yarak Yotin. Rebecca Kendra Brainerd. Olwyn Harriet Matthews. Ethan Sanders. Talia Rose Treble. Bethany Eve Williams. For the degree of Master of Science, Luma Al-Qureshi. Megan Ruth Aldridge Wells. Heather May Allmark. Ziad Khalid Al-Sharif. Elizabeth Raleigh Andrews. Zachary Davis Anstey. Emily Bromwyn Atkins. Benjamin Lewis Axton. Sergi Richard Bernat Denny. Feliciana Fuzarine Binti Hamandon. Olivia Desmond Brooks. Wesley James Burrough. Rebecca Victorian Byram. Alexandra Freya Corsi Rocher. Isabel J. Champion. Su Chen Chi. Alexandra Chichukcha. Daniel Thomas Cliff. Marie Angela Coldrick. Lucinda Victoria Crook. Emily Crookshanks. Caitlin Zoe Curd. Rita Inez de Castro Paez. Ellie Nicole Deed. Thomas Paul Dobson. Charlotte Jessica Fillery Brown. Emily Sarah Ford. Maria Eduarda Foy Mendoza. Catherine Louise Gendron. Gopita. Simon James Stewart Grant. Charlie May Green. Harry Adrian Greenbank. Megan Alice Hall. Benjamin John Ingram. Jessica Amy Johnson. Thomas Harrison Kenny. Katie Caridge. Nathalie Dennis Ledoux de Swindell. Megan Grace Liddell. Rebecca Kimberly Maguire. Eve Elizabeth Martindale. Kira McKnight. Grace Elizabeth Molyneux. Edward James Morris. Andrea Asling Metes Mosqueda Jolly. Mithilash Rajesh Navy. Fiorina O'Maney. Catalina Rose Palacios. Emma Petzelli Talia. Ruslan Postulapenko. Gopal Pushkar. Rachel Louise Redwood. Emma Lucille Robson. Matthew Sebastian Rose. Alan David Rose Calderon. James Benjamin Rowe. Abigail Sarah Russell. Louise Sol Braddock. Daniel James Scanlon. Ezra Murdo Simpson. Ratarnitha Sinsawaipol. L. Fern Smith. Kelda Louise Smith. Robert Guy Smith. Samuel Henry Smith. Isabel Rose Still. Katie Matheson Sterling. Lily Switek. Patarika Tarawan. Jasmine Sky Thompson. Thomas Joseph Topping. Hale Lois Warren. Nathan John Alexander Webster. Thomas George Wells. Tak Ching Wong. Callum James Worth. Binshi. For the degree of Master of Science by Research, Samuel Luke Davis. Alice Neve Brennan. Marie Hagenburger. Lysandra Hunker. Anna Isabel Hook. Alexandra Charlotte King. Tushe Rodri Mahmood. Benjamin Matthew Secker. Alfie Jacob Shepherd. Humaria Patel. For the award of postgraduate diploma, Harvin Singh Lally. Please may all graduates from the Faculty of Science and Technology stand if they are able to do so.
By my authority as Vice-Chancellor, I confer on these members of the Faculty of Science and Technology the degrees and awards for which they've been presented.
Please may all graduands from the Faculty of Humanities, Arts and Social Sciences stand if they are able to do so. Vice-Chancellor, on behalf of the Senate, I present these members of the Faculty of Humanities, Arts and Social Sciences who are worthy to receive higher degrees of the university. As before, I will be reading out both the titles of the student and the name of their thesis in the case of our PhD students, so please whoop and holler after we've heard the thesis title. So, for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, Bethany Grace Dahlstrom, The Feathered Gaze, Birds, Female Identity and Entrapment in Victorian Literature. Sarah Elizabeth Cole, The Cutting Edge, Science and Satire in the Romantic Period. Kurt Nelson Esperson Peters, Ruskin's Decay, Architecture, Geology and Wisdom. Thomas Rhodes Hay, Reading Representations of Eating Disorders in Contemporary Literature. Alan Hook, Imagining Otherwise, a speculative feminist design approach to interspecies kinship. Ling Yao Jin, Designing Mixed Reality Space and Interface between Digital and Physical Environments of Purchase. Berislav Jurajec, Dramaturgies of Crossing Borders, Yudai Kamisato's Theatre in and out of Japan. Lisa Kinch, The Telephone Exchange, 1945 to 1981, The State, Official Architecture and Technology. Zachary Collins Mason, Accessible Design for Varied Sensory Wayfinding in Virtual Spaces. Lalin Thorne Pencharowan, an eco-fabulous drawing method for microplastic pollution in the UK and Thailand. Yamasuma, Sustainability in Interior Design. Marina Soltan, Access, Experience and Outcomes Nationally from Classroom to Clinic, Gini Factor in Medical Education. Matthew John Tattersall, Brantwood, a novel and thesis about John Ruskin, ecology and afterlives. Jodie Sarah Walker, Organised Forgetting and Poetic Testimony, 4 landmark moments in post-war British history. Jonathan Beaton Weldon, Rhythm and Rupture. For the degree of Master of Arts, Charlie Abbott. Lydia Beth Island. Mohammed Hamid Al-Ghanmi. Molly McCall Armstrong. Na Ayali Ayate. Thomas Bailey. Freya Rose Garland Baker. David John Blowers. Georgie Boyack Scott. Elizabeth Emma Brooks. Emily Elizabeth Buckley. Matteo Capellini. Heather Sheila Clark Hope. Edward Thomas William Clayton. Charlie William Coleman. Natalie Ann Cutler. Shelby Scarlett Quentin Durand. Ellen Victoria Annabel Donaghy. Harriet Martha Farley. Joshua John Farley. Amber Jane Elizabeth Felton. Cara Rose Foley. Tage Henry Gibson. Jessica Amy Gould. Zhang Yi Guo. Lydia Grace Howarth. Oliver Peter Hewson. Lara Jane Hurley. Yoto Todorev Ilyev. Evelyn Iverson. Megan Kate Jeffrey. Vedika Kailas Kulkarni. Sarah Louise Kwong. Benjamin Joseph Maguire. Kia Makshantsev. Xin Yuen Nan. Lisa Nicholas. Daniel James Nielsen. Molly Francis Caitlin O'Leary. Sunok Park. Bayla Harris Parker. Nandini Pillay. Sumaya Rustay. Christopher Leonard Ryan. Sahana Samantha. Estefania Sanguinetti. Ruby Stella Saunders. Emily Jane Scally. Xin Yi Shin. Jordan Josephine Smith. Victoria Elizabeth Sorzano. Lydia Maria Symes. Elizabeth Mary Train Brown. Hannah Louise Vernon Carr. Luen Wang. Zitung Wang. Sadie Mae Watkinson. Freya Lily Williams. Bei Wu. Ling Ying Zhu. For the degree of Master of Architecture, Ying Chirk Choi. Matthew Luke Manton. Harshal Dinesh Narkar. Georgia Karen Sefton Price. May all graduates from the Faculty of Humanities, Arts and Social Sciences stand if they are able to do so.
By my authority as Vice-Chancellor, I confer on these members of the Faculty of Humanities, Arts and Social Sciences the degrees for which they've been presented. So before I close today's congregation, I would like to bestow some thanks on members of the team that have helped this congregation, those that have gone before them over today and yesterday, happen. Without these members of staff, our students, volunteers, things like this wouldn't happen. So I can't possibly name everyone by name, for thanks, but there are a few people that I would like to give particular thanks to. And they're Rachel Powell, Georgina Jackson, Alex Judge, Rachel Newbury, Julie Ferguson, Anthony MS, Nick Fragel. So really, thank you for everyone who's contributed to making this such a joyous occasion. Now, I declare this congregation closed. So this congregation of the University of Lancaster, long may the university prosper. Thank you.